Hi parents, I have a friend here that's going to help us with our part-part whole strategies. So if you see a part-part whole, or basically a precursor to addition or subtraction problem, this is a good way to do it. The first thing we're going to look at is we're going to look at our parts and our wholes. Sometimes we have a missing part, one part, and then the whole, and sometimes we have two parts with a missing whole. The first one we're going to show you is this one. So the first thing to do is to think, I have nothing here, I have some here, but all of these up here. So the first thing we do is we count the parts and then the wholes. So my friend is going to count how many acorns here. How many acorns do we see here? 0.
0.
Now we're going to count the acorns here. How many acorns here?
2.
We're going to write 2 in the box. Perfect. Then we're going to color that number of acorns in our whole acorns.
Here.
So we do 1 on the bottom, we do 1 on the bottom, and then we say 1 on the top. And then we say 1 on the bottom, 1 on the top. And there are no more acorns to color. So we're going to circle the uncolored acorns with our pencil. Great. Now, before we do anything for this part, we need to count all of our acorns up here and write that number here. Let's count all of our acorns. 1, 2,
3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to write 10 here. Great. Now we're going to count the acorns that we have circled and did not color.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
That's our missing part. So we're going to write that number 8 here and draw 8 acorns here. Acorns can be hard to draw, and our friend is doing a great job. He's using his counting on skills to know how many more to draw. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many more? Great. One more. All right. Now is the fun part. Now is when we get to fill out our equation. So our 2 parts go in the first 2 spots. So we know that 8 and 2 make 10. The biggest number is always the last number. And this week we are starting our equations with addition and equal signs. So we can write our numbers in those too. Awesome. Now we're going to show you how to do the next one, where you have 2 parts and a blank hole. You're going to count the acorns in each part and then write each number on the side. Great. Now, we're going to count all of the acorns in the parts, and that number will be our whole. 1, 2. You want to start over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll get to draw 10 acorns here. Great job. Great. Let's double check.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Awesome. Now we're going to fill out our equation. Same thing with this equation. The first two numbers are the parts, and the biggest number is the whole. We know that 4 and 6 make 10. So we know that 4 plus 6 equals 10. Great job!